Claude Code and n8n. Two powerful tools that are changing how developers build and automate. In this video, we'll explore what they are, how they work together, and real-world examples you can use today. Claude Code is Anthropic's official command line interface for Claude. It lives right in your terminal, understanding your entire codebase. It can read files, write code, run tests, and manage Git workflows. Think of it as an AI pair programmer that never sleeps. It supports hooks, custom skills, and MCP server integrations. From bug fixes to full feature implementations, it handles it all. Let's take a deeper look at what Claude Code can do. At its core, it performs 4 categories of operations: code operations, reading, writing, refactoring, and managing dependencies; development workflow, Git commits, pull requests, and branch management; testing and debugging, running test suites, performance profiling, and log analysis; and extensibility through MCP servers, hooks, and custom skills. MCP servers let Claude control browsers, query databases, and interact with external tools. Hooks let you run custom scripts before or after any tool call. This makes Claude Code incredibly flexible and powerful. n8n is an open-source workflow automation platform. It connects over 400 apps and services with a visual node editor. Unlike Zapier or Make, n8n can be self-hosted for full control. You build workflows by connecting nodes, each performing an action. HTTP requests, database queries, conditional logic, and more. It's the backbone of modern automation stacks. Let's dive deeper into n8n's capabilities. n8n organizes its nodes into 4 categories: triggers, webhooks, cron schedules, email listeners, file watchers, and event handlers; actions, HTTP requests, emails, Slack messages, and database queries; logic, conditional branching, switches, loops, and merge operations; transform, data manipulation, renaming, splitting, and aggregation. You can self-host n8n for full data control, or use n8n Cloud for zero maintenance. With 48,000 GitHub stars and 850 active contributors, the community is thriving. Developers choose n8n for its open-source transparency and zero vendor lock-in. When you combine Claude Code with n8n, magic happens. n8n handles orchestration, triggers, and integrations. Claude Code provides the AI intelligence layer. Together, they create autonomous development pipelines. n8n acts as the orchestration layer, handling triggers, routing, and scheduling. Claude Code acts as the intelligence layer, analyzing and generating code. They connect through HTTP APIs, shell execution, or the MCP protocol. Let's look at some real-world examples of this powerful combination. Example 1: Automated Code Review Pipeline. A developer pushes code to GitHub. n8n's webhook catches the push event immediately. It triggers Claude Code to analyze the pull request in detail. Claude reviews for bugs, security vulnerabilities, and code quality issues. It checks test coverage, performance implications, and best practices. The review is posted back as structured PR comments automatically. n8n can also notify the team on Slack about the review results. What used to take hours of manual code review now happens in just a few minutes. Example 2: AI Content Generation Workflow. n8n monitors a Google Sheet for new content briefs. When a new row appears, it sends the brief to Claude. Claude generates compelling titles, detailed outlines, and full article drafts. It even creates SEO meta tags and social media posts for each piece. N8n then routes the content to Slack for team review and approval. Once approved, content is automatically published to your CMS. The entire pipeline runs end-to-end without any manual intervention. Example 4, Automated Testing Pipeline. When a pull request is created, n8n detects it instantly through a webhook. It fetches the changed files and sends them to Claude Code for analysis. Claude examines the code and generates comprehensive test cases. It creates unit tests, integration tests, and edge case scenarios. The test suite runs automatically in your CI environment. Coverage reports are generated and posted back to the pull request. Teams have seen coverage jump from 42% to over 90%. All of this happens without writing a single test manually. Example 5, Auto Documentation Generator. When code is merged to the main branch, n8n triggers the workflow. It extracts the changed functions, types, and interfaces from the diff. Claude generates API references, README updates, and detailed changelogs. It creates JS.comments, migration guides, and architecture documentation. The output is validated for proper formatting and link integrity. N8n auto-commits the documentation and triggers a deployment rebuild. Your documentation stays perfectly in sync with your code, automatically. Example 3, Intelligent Bug Triage System. Users report bugs through a form, email, or support ticket. N8n captures the report and sends it to Claude Code for analysis. Claude examines the codebase to identify the root cause of the issue. It determines severity with 96% confidence on average. It assigns priority levels, suggests specific fixes, and creates JIRA tickets. Critical P1 bugs are escalated to PagerDuty within 1 minute. Lower priority issues are routed to the appropriate team backlog. This system dramatically reduces mean time to resolution across the board. Getting started is easier than you think. Step 1, install Claude Code with a single npm command. Step 2, set up n8n locally with npx or Docker. Both are up and running in under 5 minutes. Step 3, connect them by creating a webhook trigger in n8n. Add an HTTP request node pointing to the Claude API. Configure your Anthropic API key and set up response handling. Add output nodes for Slack, GitHub, or any service you use. Step 4, start with one simple automation and scale from there. Test with a single repository first, monitor results, and then expand. Let's look at the impact numbers. Teams using Claude Code with n8n report significant productivity gains. Code review time drops by up to 73%. Bug resolution is 4 times faster on average. Developer satisfaction scores increase by 47%. Automation coverage grows from 20% to over 85%. Deploy frequency increases from twice a week to 3 times a day. Code review automation reaches 92% coverage. These numbers compound over time as teams build more workflows and refine their pipelines. Claude Code and n8n are shaping the future of software development. Whether you're a solo developer or leading an engineering team, these tools can transform your entire workflow from end to end. Start with one automation. See the results. Then scale up. The future of development is automated, intelligent, and available right now. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe for more developer automation content. And drop a comment with your favorite use case. See you in the next one.